Our most powerful outdoor battery just got better. Introducing 40-volt edge batteries from RYOBI. "40-volt lithium high-performance edge batteries, powered by tabless cell technology, give you more power and runtime, perfect for demanding applications. More efficient energy transfer allows your 40-volt batteries to run cooler and live longer, giving you and your tools the next generation of gas performance, cordless convenience. Part of the RYOBI 40-volt system, exclusively at the Home Depot.